the monkey and the dolphin. One day, when the sailors pulled off their ship, there were dolphins there, and their mission is to hold their pets even when they sail. In a part of it, there was some monkey there, and the dolphin thought it was a human, so he let him up his body. Then he said, "Are you a member of Captain Greek?" Then he said, I, yes, my family is one of the noblest." One of them said, "Do you visit Piratus?" Then he said, yes, Piratus is my friend. I often visit with him." Then the dolphin could not understand him, so he just got to the water. Then the monkey there was struggling and calling for another dolphin to ride on. Lesson: one falsehood leads to another. Stopping by woods on a snowy evening. Whose woods these are? I think I know. His house is in the village, though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near between the woods and frozen lake the darkest evening of the year. He gives his harness bells a shake, ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downy lake. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep. And miles before I go to sleep, and miles before I go to sleep.